So okay, this is our room for tonight. Yeah, this is 2,000 peso per night with TV, air condition, good for 4. Yeah, and all right, for toilet and bath. Okay, this is located at Pindoy, Negros Oriental, Philippines. So this is another view. All right. And we had a family gathering today. Yeah. Look at the rooms, they are very fancy. So yeah, this is we are now. We are here at Kugon. All right. So thank you so much, and thank you for praying me well. Yeah, I still have to rest more and enjoy more. Okay, there's more to life. Goodbye for now. My name is Mary. Have a great day.
O, sige na kuya, 1! Teresa! Hi! Hi! Wow! Buhay ba? Buhay ba? Wala ra. Sige ra. Ay, dili ba? Teresa! Hoy! Ay, wow! Wow! Yeah, finally! Yeah! Swim, swim, swim. Swim, 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 swim. Teresa, Teresa. No, I cannot. I have cell phone. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Kaya Patrick, kaya Patrick. Kuya. nato i-clip.
Ay, nara ate ni mo.
Let's take them.